Good morning, children. How are you? Enjoying your holidays? Yes, you are enjoying your holidays. But as you are the children, you have to study well. So we have started the classes. Myself, Satyavati, teaching you 6th social. So children, as these days are very crucial, so we need so much food. From where we will get the food? We get the food from agriculture. So today our topic is agricultural crops. Today our topic is agricultural crops. agricultural, agricultural. Yes, ma'am. Again, agricultural, agricultural crops. So today we are going to learn about agriculture. That is not only crops, everything, whatever is dealt with this, we are going to learn about that. As agricultural crops. First, the concept of this agricultural crops we are learning is agricultural crops. In this, our first concept we are learning is about the tools. That is agricultural tools. We are learning about the agricultural tools. Tools means you know, ma. Tools means we know. Everyone knows. Yes, this is also a tool. This is also a tool to write it on the board like that. To do the agriculture, we need many tools. So in this, again we are going to learn two more topics. That is how agricultural tools are used. How agricultural tools are used in past and present. How agricultural tools are used in past and present. And what is their utility? What is their utility? These two things we are going to learn. These two things we are going to learn. Yes, as you know, agriculture is the backbone of India. Agriculture is backbone of India. All the people will depend on the food. That means we are all depending on agriculture. All we are depending on agriculture. So to do the agriculture, we need the seeds, everything. But from all that, tools also very important. Tools also very important. That means equipment. Equipment are very important. Why they are very important? Tell me, ma'am. Why they are very important? Means to make the work easier. Why these equipments are important? To make our work easier. Not only easier, to save the time also. To save the time. This is very important. These tools are very important. Yes, all the people from the villages and cities will depend on agriculture. Yes, to make these tools also, we need many laborers. We need many laborers, workers. We need many laborers, workers. So many tools, so many things we are needed. So to do the agriculture, so many people we need. So but as you see, in the olden days, you know what the implements, that is what the equipments they used. You know, children, come on, tell me. Agriculture tools. Yes, sir. They used in past. We said. Yes, sir. You know what the agriculture tools they used in the past? Anything? Any idea? Yes. Whenever you think of the agriculture, first of all, and main thing we remember is the plow. The main thing we remember is the plow. Yes, ma, very good. But the main thing we remember is the plow. The main thing we remember is the plow. The plow is wooden and iron plow. The plow is of wooden and iron. The plow is of wooden and iron. The plow is made up of wooden plow were there and iron plow also is there. Not only that, ma, one more thing we know, that is sickle. Yes, sickle also they use. Why I am telling means to do the agriculture, yes, we will do, the tools are used from sowing to harvesting, from starting to harvest, ending, all the we need many tools. From sowing to harvesting, we need many tools. So plough, startingly we used for our harvesting, cutting anything, we will use the sickle. Not only sickle, we use many things like shovel, spade. So many things we will use. Not only that much, tools only we said. But to do the agriculture, we need the seeds, water sources, everything we need. But for our first concept, we are learning is agriculture tools. Yes, I said that in the past we are using plough, sickle, spade, shovel, like that. But today also we are using the same thing. You got any idea? Today also we are using the same thing. No, today technology has developed a lot. We are not using them. We are only little of the people are using this, but many are using machinery tools. Many are using machinery tools like tractors, thrasher, like that. They are using many tools. So today we are just a small topic. We are learning that agriculture tools that are used in the past and present and how they were used. Yes, how for what they used. From sowing to harvesting, every work to do in the agriculture, we need the tools. Why we need the tools? We need the tools to make our work very easier and to save the time. But now you see, in the modern days, by using the machineries, we are saving more time. Not only time, the laborers' work also decreased a lot. Yes. Now coming to some discussions. So children, we are going to discuss about these things again. Yes, sir. So what we are learning? Agriculture tools used in the present and past. Past tools nowadays very less they are using. Presently we are using all machinery tools. Presently we are using all machinery tools. Yes, sir. Like tractor, thrasher, etc. Okay, ma. Now for the assessment, very little assessment homework, that is assessment homework I am giving you. Just you find out the tools used in the past and present. Yes, ma, I am giving you very little assessment. Just you find out the agricultural tools used in past and present and write their names. And write their names. And also, ma, just to find out how they are used. How they are used. And how they are helpful to us. And how they are helpful to us. Yes. These two are very easy questions I am telling you. Yes, agriculture tools used in the past and present and how they are used and how they are helpful to us. Not only this, one more activity. This is the activity I am giving you. The activity is also very easy. Activity is very easy. That is same thing. Name the agricultural tools used in various various methods, various periods, various time, agriculture, tools, past, present. First one for sowing, second one for leveling, third for harvesting. Yes, this is very easy activity. That is just you have to find out the tools used when they are sowing, when they are leveling the land, when they are harvesting the crop. Yes, ma'am? Okay, now you are? Yes, start. One more. In this, yes, children, we have learned about agricultural tools. Yes, in this only, one more thing we are learning, that sustainable farming. Sustainable farming. What do you mean by this? What do you mean by this? Sustainable farming means the land or the seeds, which we are using, they have to be used for a long time, for a long period, In this, now we are going to learn about the seeds also. Yes, in olden days, the farmers, what they used to do, they used to preserve the seeds for the next sowing, for the next season, But nowadays it is not like that. But nowadays every farmer, they are going to market. To purchase the seeds. Nowadays we are going to get two types of the seeds. Some are ordinary seeds and some are hybrid seeds. But what is happening to the land when we are using the seeds which are used chemicals to preserve them, and when we are sowing them, what is happening? Our land is getting fertility is getting decreased. So now we are saying that seeds, but we have to see the land fertility also. So to preserve the land fertility, what we have to do? Yes, we are saying the seeds we are using all from the starting, they are using the chemicals so that they won't get spoiled. When we are using the seeds which are used by the chemicals, the fertility of the land is decreasing. Okay, then what we have to do? Means we are saying that we must use vermicompost. Compost, that is manure. To develop the fertility of the seeds. Land. To develop the fertility of the land, we are using vermicompost. Not only that, we are using Panchagya. We are using what? One more thing we are using. Panchagya. It is nothing but it is fully made with the animals things like that: cow dung, cow urine, cow ghee, cow curd, cow milk, like that they were used. It is used in the liquid form also. Yes. So this is we are saying about the sustainable farming. The seeds the fertility of the land mainly. Yes, if the land is not having fertility in it, we can't grow any crop. We can't grow any crop. So understood children? This is about sustainable farming. So we have discussed about the vermicompost, Panchagavya, that one which is made from the cow dung and sugarcane and jaggery like that. And now next we are learning about the Jivamrut. Jivamrut is also a manure which used to develop the microorganisms in the soil. So these three are very important. To for the land, to improve the fertility of the land. These three are very important. Not only that one, now you see the income and fertility of the land we are going to get when we are going to use the land different crops different times, not the same crop, different crops if we use also, the fertility of the land will be increased. Yes, you have understood, I think so, about the sustainable farming. So that the sustainable farming, for that the land should get the fertility, we are using vermicompost, Panchagavya and Jivamrut. Yes, this Panchagavya, not only that we are using neem oil also we are using. Yes children, now little bit homework in this, collect the pictures related to, small homework, yes sir, collect the pictures related to vermicompost, related to vermi pictures, collect pictures, sorry just wait, collect pictures related to vermicompost. Yes. One more topic also is there in this. One more topic also is there in the agriculture crops. First we learned about the agriculture tools, sustainable farming. Then we are going to learn about the pesticides. What do you mean by pesticides? Yes, we are going to learn about the pesticides. What do you mean by pesticides? Yes. Now you see a plant, a seed, when it was growing, it will come across through so many diseases. The seed cannot be grown into a proper plant. To grow it into a proper, to get a very good yield, what we have to need? We need some pesticides. To kill the insects, all that we need some pesticides. But before knowing all this, these pesticides are made up of chemicals. But in the olden days, traditional pesticides were used. But now we are using all chemical fertilizers, chemical pesticides. Because of that, what is going to be happen? The fertility of the land is decreasing. So nowadays we are going to see so many advertisements about the pesticides to be used. Nagarjuna pesticides like that. But natural pesticides are very important. Organic pesticides are very important. Yes sir. In this also little bit homework. Find out some names of the pesticides. Okay ma? From this I think that you have learned about agriculture tools, sustainable farming and pesticides. Yes, for all the topics I given different assessment. So do that. If you get the doubts, tomorrow I will clarify. Okay children, thank you very much.